We are looking at AUD USD. It's a Wednesday today, and on the 15-minute we can clearly see that we are bearish. We have bearish structure, but we are pretty low within this range. So let's look at some higher time frame. Okay, on the 4 hour. All right, we are the lowest we've been in months. Taking out two lows. Looks like we have just taken out this low here. Okay, let's look at the daily. It's a bit more clear. The weekly. Okay, so if I would, I'm not comfortable with selling because we are so far down into the range here that selling is just not really optimal in my eyes. So today I will be taking a long position if my conditions are met, and my conditions will be, it's gonna have to be a short trade because we're gonna I'm wanting to catch a little retracement off of this big strong move downwards. So let's go ahead and, so today's Wednesday. Okay, so you're on here. So let's look at this range here. From Wednesday to now. So it looks like we can, we are likely to retrace into the 50% mark of this range. But let's look at, so if we go day, go from the top and bottom. Okay, that did not work. Okay, the bottom's there anyways. Okay, so I just did the exact same thing. So if I were to take a trade, it'd probably have to be like a inversion or something. Okay, pretty solid. Okay, I can already see something. Okay, that's also good. This is a divergence when the RSI is making higher highs and price is making lower lows. It can indicate a case of trend reversal. So for example, we are bullish, but since the RSI is telling us that price is starting to pick up, yeah, I'll draw it up for you guys so it's easier to see from the same point here down. Okay, so see how the RSI is building up and price is still dropping. The RSI is just an indication that price is likely to reverse. So in saying that, I can see these little fair value gaps here. We have retraced into them. So what I'm thinking is, once we, let's not do that. Once we close above this high, this area here, which is the top of this fair value gap, I am somewhat comfortable with risking my capital for a quick trade. But we have to close above. We have to close above. And there's a lot of liquidity lying around here. Excuse me. So if I were to take a position, I'll probably get filled in around here. I would want to aim for, let's have a look. Yeah, I'd want to aim for maybe this area here. And my, yep, right there. There. So it would look something like this. We're not going to aim for the sky because, like I said before, we are bearish. So this is just a case of we're too low to sell. I'm not comfortable with selling, but I will be comfortable taking a long position in relation to catching a small reversal, a small pullback, sorry. And what I mean by that is when price when price goes down, it retraces, goes down, 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 retraces, goes down. I'm looking at something like that, like a retracement. But I will set a nice break even. So because this is a more riskier trade because we are trading against the trend, but with this higher time frame knowledge that we have, that we taken out these two lows, and that we are in this area here, which also taking out this low, we are likely to reverse in my eyes. So in that being said, we will wait for price to close above this rectangle here, and once that happens, I will most likely get in straight away, targeting these highs here. Alright, we are back at AUD USD. We did close above, so we will enter. So what did I put here? I put 1.82. So if I go to USD 1.82. Oh, it's a bit late. Nah, we're getting. Alright, we are in at 3157. We're a tiny bit late. Yeah. But that is fine. We are in. We'll go break even. We're gonna be very thing with this one. We're gonna go break even after here. But yeah. I'm liking how that's reacted off of that. Strong close above. Looks like we're starting to get a bit more buys. So I'm pretty confident we'll hit break even, like this area here, but I'm not too sure what price will do after that, because it could also, after this point, because there's also imbalance here, and an auto block or supply zone, whatever you want to call it, is here also. So after prices in this area here, we are likely to retrace. It's just a matter of how much are we going to retrace. But after we set our break even, if we retrace back here, I get stopped out. Losing nothing, gaining nothing. But if we have a small retracement and continue higher, taking out more highs, yeah, we'll hit TP. So yeah, we'll just see how it plays out. This is the end result of the AUD USD trade that we took yesterday. After we inversed this fair value gap, we did react. We did come close to stop loss, but price did reverse in our direction. But we did end up, like I said, this is a zone where the price is likely to reverse, and it did. So yeah, I'm glad that I had this break even in place. Otherwise, yeah, it would have been a loss. So yeah, we hit break even. We won nothing. We gained nothing. We won nothing. We lost nothing. I'm neutral with that.